Pinning videos on TikTok works a bit differently from pinning comments. TikTok allows users to pin videos to their profile so that they're highlighted for visitors. Here's what you can do. First, go ahead and open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account and tap on your profile and go to your profile section. Once you're here, you need to find the video or the photo that you want to pin on your profile page. Go to the photo, tap on the three dots from the bottom right corner of your screen, and there you will see the option of pin that is between download and duet. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you can see the indication that it has been pinned on your profile, and if you refresh your page, you will see that the photo or video has been pinned. Once pinned, the video will stay at the top of your profile page, and if you want to pin a different video, you will need to unpin the current one and then pin a new one. You can only pin up to 3 videos on your profile at a time, and to unpin a video, just follow the same steps but choose unpin from the menu. It's a good way to showcase your best or most important videos. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.